The week that was in 1.5 minutes. Now, I wish it only took that long to make all this, but it didn't. So I shared my preserved lemon recipe over on YouTube. I then tested out my new oven, which I can confirm is baking a charm with some cookies and my sticky date pudding with butterscotch sauce. My friends are watching this. They will know how good this tastes. I will share it with you. And then I completely retweaked this Donna Hay Thai ginger chicken salad into it's sort of like a big san chow bao salad situation, which is delicious. I filmed next week's YouTube episode, which is Italian sausage and broccoli orchetti. I then marinated 2 kilos of chicken thigh fillets. They have to look like this. If I see just another chicken that's not seasoned properly, I may cry, as well as my horrible breakfast that I had the other day. I baked my weekly banana bread. I add a little bit of cacao into the mix. You can find the recipe on the website for that. And then I had to make a redemption breakfast because my brunch out was horrible. And I made a beautiful white miso veggie, like mushroom, spinach, egg situation with a bit of lemon juice that I stole from my neighbour's garden. Now, I don't steal, but when I do, it's lemons, and they were great. I served it up on my sourdough, and that is it. Getting ready for another busy week ahead. I have so much admin to do. But anyway, I will share all the recipes with you guys. Enjoy and get ready for another week.